One of the most important things that we can do as future teachers is educate children about internet safety. Internet safety is exactly what it sounds like, just how to be safe on the internet. But as more and more students get access to the internet younger and younger, it is imperative that we teach them how to be safe so that they aren't doing anything that they aren't supposed to online. ChildNet has many great resources for teachers to teach kids about internet safety. They talk about many different topics that have to do with internet safety, from cyberbullying to gaming to anything else online. NetSmarts also has many tips and tricks for parents that could be passed along by teachers to those parents about how to improve internet safety at home. One of those tips that I really enjoyed was putting the main computer of the house in a high traffic area so that the parents can keep track of what their students are doing.